Let me show you how to prepare this crunchy and absolutely delicious toffee with nuts. It's so good you would keep asking for more. Hi lovelies, thank you for stopping by and welcome to Recipes by Jenny. The list of all ingredients used is in the description section, so please don't forget to check it out. Let's get started. Some very useful tips while preparing toffee. First, have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. Prepare the baking dish by greasing it with some butter. After that, line with baking paper. I'm getting some help here from my daughter. My family loves this recipe. I made it a couple of times during the holiday. After lining the baking dish, pour half of the roasted nuts onto the baking dish like so, and the other half set it aside. Now let's make the toffee. To a pot, add sugar, unsalted butter, water, salt, and for some flavor, I would be adding ground nutmeg. You can use vanilla, cinnamon, or any flavoring of your choice. Now let the fun begin. On low to medium heat, stir. You want to continuously stir this mixture until the color becomes like so, rich golden brown like peanut butter. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. It took me in total around 15 minutes to achieve the color I wanted. You need to keep a close watch on the toffee to prevent it from burning. So stir, 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 and stir away. And as with all wonderful things in life, you need patience and lots of love. Once the right color is achieved, remove from the heat and immediately pour the toffee over the nuts. Whilst still hot, add the chopped chocolate. I'm using a combination of two types of dark chocolate. So one is 74% and 50%. Feel free to use milk chocolate or any chocolate of your choice. I did mine like this because I didn't want it to be so sweet. Cover for a minute to allow the heat penetrate into the chocolate so it's easy to spread, and then spread the chocolate evenly over the mixture. Once done, add the remaining chopped nuts, and gently press it into the chocolate. Allow to completely cool down and refrigerate until the chocolate sets. Once the chocolate is set, our toffee is ready to be enjoyed. This is so good, you would keep asking for more. I call it chop one, chop two. You can't just have one bite. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. Please don't forget to check out the toffee video, another toffee video that is attached at the end of this. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you receive a notification whenever I post a new video. And until next time, remain blessed.